too quickly. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is understanding course choices within the UK creative sector, the structure, a little bit about the structure of art and design, why a portfolio is important in the application process for art and design, what to include in a successful portfolio, and then some of the things that our students say about portfolios. So it's really important to understand the course choice that you make. So I always get students to ask themselves a few questions when they're thinking about art and design. First of all, why study an art and design subject? Why the creative industries for my future career? What's the right university? What's the right department? And what's the right course? Because there's a wide variety of different universities, different departments and different courses to choose from. So it's really important to do your background research to make sure that you're choosing the right university, the right department and the right course, but also to make sure that actually the course will actually enable you to realize your future career ambitions. And the opportunities within art and design are constantly increasing. I always talk to students a little bit about the creative sector in the UK. I mean, currently there's over 2.1 million people work in the creative industries in the UK. And there's 3.5 million jobs dependent on the creative industries, more than 1 in 10 jobs in the UK. And pre-pandemic, the creative industry opportunities were growing immensely. We contribute 116 billion to the UK economy. An interesting fact is that's more than aerospace, automotive, life science and oil and gas sectors combined. So the creative industries in the UK and globally is actually a huge contributor to most countries' economy. And there's always some really interesting facts about the skill base that art and design provide. And this information from the World Economic Forum is really interesting, that 50% of all employers will need reskilling by 2025 as an adoption of technology increases. And that's something that's really, really important. But if we actually look at some of the top skills, critical thinking and problem solving top the list of skills employers believe will grow in prominence in the next 5 years. And those are two skills that are actually at the heart of art and design education, but also creativity, originality and initiative feature in that top 10. And again, these are skills that you will actually develop on any art and design course. So it's really, really important to understand that there's huge opportunity within the creative industries, but also an art and design education will actually provide you with the skills to work at a wide variety of different careers across the career spectrum. And a really important thing to remember is that 35% of all creative sector jobs in the future don't exist yet, because the designers and graduates of the future will actually be creating these jobs. And a huge contributor to that is the application of new technology. So students are actually creating new and interesting jobs right across the creative sector. I thought I'd give you a little bit of insight into the way that UK students navigate to study art and design. So some students will go directly from high school and directly from A-level, but the vast majority of students will do a foundation in art and design, which is pre-degree study. And the reason a lot of students will do the foundation is that they're not really sure which creative subject they wish to study. So the foundation enables them to try a wide range of different creative subjects, focus their portfolio, and then they actually select the course of study. So a foundation course is not a requirement to enter our degree courses, but a large percentage of our students will do a foundation to really enable them to make a focused choice about which study they will actually select in terms of subject area. In terms of the structure, level 1 undergraduate tends to be the fundamentals in the specialist subject area that you've actually chosen. Level 2 is specialist development and application, and that's where we would do external projects with industry, or we do competitions aligned to your subject area. Level 3 is very much about individual personalized creative development. So you'll work in collaboration with the academic staff to actually develop portfolio and a body of work that's right for your future career, or there's the opportunity post-undergraduate study to go on to postgraduate and higher level study. So I'm going to talk about what is a portfolio, why do we ask for one, what should be in the portfolio, different levels of study, some common mistakes, and what our students say about portfolios. So what is a portfolio? A portfolio is really an opportunity. It's an opportunity for you to show a collection of your creative work. It should be highly personal to each student and can include and be anything that you decide it should be. So the portfolio really provides you with an opportunity to demonstrate creatively who you are. What should be in a portfolio, and this is for every level, there should be both primary and secondary research. It should be your most interesting pieces of work. And students should include unrefined and developmental work, because we don't just want to see finished work, we want to see a wide range of work and how you've developed your ideas. So we want to see a wide range of ideas and the application of different media. We do want to see experimentation within processes related to the undergraduate or postgraduate study that you wish to study. And we really want to see your creative journey. So sketchbooks and ideas books are really important. Now, I'm talking from a UK perspective in terms of that creative journey being very important. You may apply to other countries where the focus of the portfolio should be different. But for the UK in particular, that creative journey, and for us to be able to see the way that you develop your ideas, is very important. So why do we ask for a portfolio? I mean, I love to interview students to see their work firsthand, but obviously that's not always possible. So students will submit a portfolio electronically. And what it really shows us, it shows us who you are creatively, your ability to develop ideas, your individuality and imagination, your level of creative and technical skills, but also your personality through your work. And that individuality and personality is very important within a portfolio. I want to see individuality. I don't want to see portfolios from the same institution that look the same. So I want to see how you develop your ideas and how you actually have become a creative individual and how you've actually sort of really pushed and extended your creativity within that portfolio.